To better help you explore the landmark map, there are several tools to help you move around. First, you can scroll in and out on your mouse to zoom forward and backward on the map. You can use these plus and minus signs here to zoom in and out. You can also access more tools by double-clicking on the blue header to open the toolbar, then clicking the Map tab. You can see we have the Pan button, so you can click and drag in the direction that you want to move on the map. You can zoom in, and when you click the Zoom In button, you'll get a yellow header explaining how to use this tool. You'll click, then drag to draw a rectangle, and your map will zoom to that location. To zoom out, you'll click and drag a rectangle, and you'll zoom out. If you draw a small rectangle, you'll zoom out pretty far. But if you draw a large rectangle, you'll only zoom out a little bit. You can also click the Initial View button to go back to the original view that you see when you open the map.